welcome to One-to-One Mining Investment Hong Kong. I'm here with Ewan Webster, CEO of Thesis Gold. How are you doing today, Ewan?
Very well, thanks.
Awesome.
How are you doing?
Not getting rained out too much?
No, thankfully the rain stopped and yeah, it's clearing up.
I'm happy to hear that. First, we're just going to start with a quick overview of Thesis as a company. So could you just kind of give us your journey to date so far?
Sure, yeah, Thesis Gold was founded in 2020 and we acquired the Ranch project at that time, and we've completed about 50,000 meters of drilling on the project, which is in north central British Columbia in Canada. But very recently we've gone through a kind of transformative merger with Benchmark Metals that had the adjacent project to the south of us, the Lawyers project, that has a 3.5 million ounce deposit on it and a PEA. So very exciting past few months for the company, now with Thesis 2.0 in place.
That's really exciting. Of course, you're just like watching your prospects grow and in such a short amount of time as well. So next, let's kind of talk about some of those strong drill results that you had recently on the Ranch project. So could you tell us about what that means for the company and what you're going to do next to advance that?
Yeah, I mean, over the last couple of years, I said we've done about 50,000 meters of drilling on the Ranch project and delineated some really nice high-grade zones of mineralization with kilometers worth of drill tested mineralized strike extent now. The target that we recently put drill results on, the BV zone, that hadn't had any past drilling by us on it. It was actually one of the areas they historically mined on the project. So they produced about 10,000 ounces on the project from 3 kind of small open pits, and they're maybe only 20, 30 meters long and a few meters deep. But the bulk of that 10,000 ounces came out of this area, and really our goal with this year's program on that BV target was to test the continuity of the mineralization below the pit and along strike, and the drill results certainly did that. But I think more importantly, the work that we've done around the drilling in that area has shown that that target is much larger than it appears to be from the historical drilling. Very large alteration system, good high-grade rock grab samples on surface up to 30 grams. So it has the potential to be about 1 kilometer in strike length, certainly from the other indicators.
Sounds like an iceberg.
Hopefully. Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
All right, and then we also have the recent tranche of 11.25 million Canadian dollars. That's some pretty big numbers. How are we doing on financing, and where are we going with that?
Yeah, so that first tranche of that financing is complete. The second one will be complete very shortly, and that is funding and it'll see us through all our major milestones for the next kind of 8 to 10 months. So right now we're doing a 50,000 meter drill program on the project, and that is split between the Lawyers and Ranch projects. 20,000 meters on the Lawyers project, testing deep mineralization below the open pits, and then 30,000 meters on the Ranch project that is testing the known zones of mineralization and a range of new targets, including the BV zone that we talked about. But that will all feed into what will be a maiden resource estimate on the Ranch project. And collectively, we're going to see a global resource across both projects for the first time. So this financing is basically funding the remainder of the drill program. I think we've completed about 40,000 meters now out of the 50,000 meter target. So we should be wrapping it up by the end of the month. And once all those drill results come in, as they come in, we'll get them out to the market as soon as we can. So there's a ton of news flow to come over the next few months. All of that will feed into that global resource that I was talking about in early Q2 next year. And simultaneously, we'll be working on an updated PEA for both projects, bringing in the mineralization of the Ranch project. So some huge milestones for the company over the next kind of 8 to 10 months, and this financing is allowing us to kind of unlock that potential.
Well, we love that for you guys. And so are there any other little snippets or kind of highlights you want to send our way for our investors? Or
drill program is going exceptionally well this year. I know we've not had a lot of drill results yet. We're just waiting and getting them back from the lab, but certainly the visual mineralization and the alteration that we're seeing in the drill core looks fantastic. We're hitting the zones as expected. So I'm anticipating a lot of strong results over the next few months.
All right, well, patience will be key for this one, but thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. And we're here at One-to-One Investment Hong Kong. Thank you.